We are healthy. Food is delicious.
Still, there's help in our body. One of the best cereal nutrition paths. 12. Introducing high-quality traits and effects. How to improve health during meals. High-quality sexual taste. It is a kind of warm food extremely safe. 2 parts with premium. 1 is the seed, 2 is the root. High-quality seeds are available for warm medium heat, assisting in preventing nausea and vomiting. Beneficial for urination, normal asthma, and hemostasis. Tuya Yuchi Sasuk's achievements. Comprehensive rehabilitative limb helplessness improvement, assisting in treating minor digestive problems, knee pain, leg pain, etc. How to use sorghum during meals. Below is a simple diet plan. 1. High sugar root decoction for limb helplessness. This is high physical strength. 2. Urinary incontinence problems. You can use red sorghum root, water plantain, and Japanese lantern herb for the first brewing water. 3. If you have a problem with your front, you can continue to grow high-quality roots. 3 ways to drink each time. 4. Minor digestive problems. Reheat and fry non-nuclear red pickles 6 to 9 times a day, R&D per day. 5. For knee pain and leg pain. Add 2 pieces of chicken protein and a little sugar after removing the residue. Remember, food is our friend. Can you please help me with my health? However, what kind of grass or food do you have? Please ensure that your personal information is compatible with medical appointments. Wishing you a great home, enjoy the benefits of high income, and maintain your health. Disclaimer: this video content is for reference only. Non-compliance medical certificate. Before trying a new food method, read a medical review. If you have any special health problems or regular medications,